So what issue is coming? Well, I'm trying to create a BP in FLVN00 and I'm just giving that details. This error message is pop up like enter at least one set of bank details. So someone just made that payment transaction data or payment transaction details as a mandatory. Okay, so someone just make the changes in SPR or backend. That I told you. Students are making so many changes in the standard data. That's the problem in that servers. Okay, but in real time, it will this issue will not be there. So we will go in this node cross application component where we just configured that BP grouping. That same node we will go. Now we will go to that SAP Business Partner BP. Here it is. Same business partner. Then basic setting. Then field grouping. I guess someone wants to join the session. No. Okay. Then in basic setting, we will go to field grouping here. Then here you can see configure field attributes. Configure field attributes for BP role. This one. Okay. Configure field attributes per BP role. And here BP role FLVN because we are facing that in FLVN00. Okay. So here you can see here we will just find that that the bank related field group. So in which data it was coming, if you remember, in which view it was coming. This one, yeah. So that is coming in payment transaction in FLVN00 payment transaction. FLVN00 payment transaction. So here we just need to find out payment transaction. Here payment to budget, company code, BP search. So let me find out that field. Company code data. In company code data, header data, So like that, someone just make the changes from here and someone just make that required entry like that. So we have to find out that first. We just need to find out bank related field. So which one is a bank related field? Here it is. Bank detail. See, someone just make it required entry. So it must be optional only. Okay, and just need to save it, enter and save it. Save it. So now if I will try to create, let me check is that coming or not. Let me check. We have to refresh that. Then let me check. Okay, so two options are there. One is like either maintain bank detail, but we are just creating that for a test system.
Sir, you're
We,
recording, right?
yeah, we are recording.
Okay.
So let me take that again. I guess VNR, no?
Yes.
Okay. So this is also ticket. Like if someone will make the changes like that, then we have to resolve that. So that's the reason I used to recommend like don't make unnecessary changes in standard data. Okay. Then let me check it again. FLVN00. That also someone make the changes. Now this error is not coming, but another error is coming. Enter the external supplier number. That error is resolved. Okay, because we just made that optional. But it's asking external supplier number. That also someone make the changes. That also someone make the changes. What happened like we used to make that BP grouping as an internal number assignment and that vendor account as external number assignment. And we just make that same number range. That also someone have changed. That also we need to check.